Hello and welcome back. You like this stylized text? You want to make yours? So this tutorial is for you. We will using the displacement to make it. So let's get started. First, hold shift, select the cube, the light, delete. Now add a plane, hold S to scale, go in object mode, edit mode, here in edge, select this one, hold E, Z. Now select the middle one, go here in bevel, here add some edge, go back to object mode, shadow smooth. Now add the text, go in here, rotate it 19 in x-axis, go in edit mode, and hit A. You can type any letters or text you want. Hold S, scale it a little, go in properties text, in the geometry, I extrude it, maybe 0. I give it the depth 0.3, the resolution I give it 8. Now before in center, hit JZ, we must convert it in mesh, but as you can see it's not very structured, so I go here in modifiers, add modifier, generate remesh, hold shift and decrease the number. As you can see, our text become better. If we go here to see, I decrease now we go to shading and make the displacement. First, go in the world. Before that, I go back here in modifier, apply, to apply the modifier. Now I go in the world, in the color, go here, I open my HDRE, I chose this one, go here, shader editor, hit N to close this window, hit Alt or Control 0, hit N, view, camera to view, and to close. Hit S to scale the plane. Now we have this. Now go in render properties, switch to cycles. If you have a GPU, enable it. Here I give it 0.01. Here 32, here 0.1, and here I give it 100. Light paths, left click, select all this and give it 1. Disable this and this. Enable this. In the color management, choose high contrast. Now we switch to shading. Now select the plane. G is red. Now it's good. Now we select the text, new, go here and add, in vector, select displacement. Now go in converter, select color ramp. Again, but now we select a texture. I select break texture. Hit Ctrl T to enable mapping and texture coordination. Now connect color here and color to scale. Now we see that, but it's not the displacement. For this, go in material, here in setting, switch to displacement and bump. Now we have this stranger structure. To resolve this problem, hold shift and scroll, give it 0.0, maybe 0.03. We connect the color to base color here. I change this color to yellow and this to maybe like this. The black, it will be white. Now we scroll down. Change the color now to just white. Now if you want to make some change here, you can change the scale like this. That for the break texture. You can use any texture here. If you want this, we will delete this. We go here. We add a texture like magic texture. And connect it like this, and you can decrease the number or make it. If you want color here, we add a color ramp, connect color to base color and this color to color ramp, and change the color. You can make any color you want. You can play with the color as you want. But I forget one thing. Before that, I must normally to save the file. So hold Ctrl S and name your file. Why? Because we use the displacement, and if you scroll a high number here, maybe Blender crash and you will lose all this work. But if you save your file, you will be back here, not at the beginner. So don't forget, please, Ctrl S to save your file. You can play with this number here in scales and distribution to get your unique, like this. You can choose this color, change it to any color you want. Now we see we have here, if we go to render image, we see that we have here, it's not perfect. We will resolve this with subdivision. We wait to finish. As you can see, it's not perfect here. So we go back in the modifiers and look for subdivision surface. Now you can see it's better. We increase this, but not go far. If you have a slow computer, they will crash. Now we see we have a better result. Now we can change this to another one, maybe texture. So for the beginner, I conseil to don't use all the time the shortcut. Go and discover what is in under add. Now the converter, we can see we have color ramp, we have clamp, we have black body. All this thing we will use it. Now you can play with some destruction like this. So choose your texture as you want and save it. It's good to make a unique style texture. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you will enjoy and learn something with me. Goodbye and see you in the next one.